of joy.
I'm hungry. What's for breakfast?
You've missed it, Mick.
I've missed breakfast?
Yes, Mick. I did call you, but you said you were too busy playing outside.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm really hungry.
Never mind, Mick. It's nearly lunchtime.
Great. What are we having?
Gabrielle's made a pie. It's in the oven.
Lunch will have to wait.
Why?
There's angel work to do. Here's Jarm playgroup earlier today.
The guinea pigs!
The children take it in turns to look after them. It's Otto's turn today.
Where is Otto?
Playing with cars? What about the guinea pigs?
He hasn't done a thing for them, and someone is about to notice.
That's Dharma. She loves the guinea pigs.
Hello, Pickle. Hello, Chips. How are you today? What's wrong? You're hungry, aren't you? Don't worry, I'll tell Otto. He is looking after you today.
Watch out, you're in the way.
Otto, have you fed the guinea pigs this morning?
I'm just about to do it.
They need fresh water too.
Yes, Dharma, I know.
And does he do it?
No, he doesn't.
You still haven't fed the guinea pigs, Otto.
Go away, Dharma. Can't you see I'm busy?
You're supposed to be taking care of them.
I know. I'll do it in a minute.
She's really cross, but doesn't know what to do.
Help from an angel is what she needs. Who's it going to be?
There's work to be done. Ellie, Mick, Wraith, who'll keep you safe? Ellie, Wraith, Mick, who'll be the pig? It's...
Mick!
Oh dear. You're going to miss lunch.
Oh.
Here, you'll need this. I've made you a packed lunch.
Thanks, Gabrielle.
Open up the celestial highway.
That's lovely. Well done, Dharma.
Hello. My name's Mick.
Hello, Mick.
Is that your painting?
Yeah, it's the guinea pigs.
They look sad.
That's because no one's looking after them.
Oh, I see.
Was that your tummy rumbling, Mick?
Yes, sorry, Theo. I'm really hungry.
Don't worry, it's lunchtime now.
You can sit with me.
I can't wait to see what I've got in my lunchbox. Yummy, creamy, cheesy sandwiches, my favourite.
I've got all my favourites too. Dal, rice, and lots of fruit and vegetables.
Fruit and vegetables? Yuck! That's the sort of food you give to a rabbit.
Or to a guinea pig.
Yeah, Dharma's got guinea pig food. Ha 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 ha. Guinea pig food? Oh no, I forgot to feed the guinea pigs.
At last.
There you are. Food, water, and no harm done. Honestly, I don't know why you made such a fuss about the guinea pigs, Dharma. There's nothing wrong with them. They look fine. Oh, no.
What's the matter, Otto? Is there something wrong with your lunch?
Yes, there is. It's not in my lunchbox.
Maybe your mum forgot to pack your lunch today. Perhaps she was too busy with other things?
Too busy? hungry and thirsty and I feel...
You feel exactly how the guinea pigs felt when you were too busy to feed them.
They felt like this, like I do now.
Yes, Otto. Animals have feelings too. They like to be looked after and cared for, just like you and me.
I'm sorry. I've been really selfish.
You can share my lunch, Otto.
Oh, thank you, Dharma.
Here, have a carrot.
This rabbit food is actually delicious.
Time to spread my wings and fly. Hello, I'm back.
There you are, Mick. Just in time.
Just in time for what?
For the last piece of pie.
You saved me some.
Welcome home, Mick, and well done.
Thanks, everyone.
Angels, angels, angels of joy.